Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing, guys? So you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so if you're new, you're welcome. Please don't forget to give this video a like. Okay, now if you're actually looking forward to having a younger skin, tightening or your skin really well, and so your skin could be spotless, scar free, and it will actually look young like that of a baby's skin, guys, you are at the right video, because I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually get that younger look using some very simple ingredients. Okay, so this I have here is rice, and we're going to be making use of rice. Now rice contains a whole lot of tightening ingredients that actually help to firm up the skin. It helps so much to make the skin lighter because it contains a lightening property which actually helps to remove the dead skin cells on the surface of your skin, therefore revealing a brighter and a more newer, fresher skin. So what I'm going to be doing here, guys, I'm gonna be washing the rice first of all. Now before you use it, you wash it. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to go boil this rice, and then I'm going to blend it, okay, into a paste form, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is it. I did that behind the camera. Alright, so here is my boiled and blended rice. Now you have to blend it into a paste form, and it has to look very thick, just like this. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm taking 1 tablespoon. Okay, so I'm actually just taking a little of it, just 1 tablespoon. And this is how smooth the rice is. Alright guys, so the very next ingredient which we need so much for this skin tightening and a younger spotless treatment is tomato. Now you know tomato contains a whole lot of ingredient that helps to tighten up the pores, and it helps to clean up the pores, you know, leaving your skin youthful and rejuvenated. Okay, so tomato also helps to remove unwanted hair in case you're actually experiencing that on your skin. So do not worry, because this is actually going to take care of it a whole lot. Okay, so what I'm going to do, you can actually either blend your tomato or you create it however you want to, you know, have your tomato paste. You can actually do that. Okay, okay guys, so I'm done blending. This is how it looks like. Okay, so I'm actually going to be taking them, since I didn't actually blend too much of it, I'm actually going to be putting everything into the rice puree, and then we mix them together, and then we stir. Okay guys, so we're equally going to be making use of yogurt. Now yogurt is very important for this particular ingredient, okay, because of the lactic acid, and it helps to tighten up the skin and firm it all up, and it also helps to, you know, make you look super duper young. So it is actually very necessary for this ingredient. So I'm gonna be putting in 2 tablespoons of my yogurt, Okay, so this combination is actually very, very superb. So now I would mix it all up, and then to make it really, 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 really effective, guys, you have to make use of egg. And in this egg, we're actually going to be needing just the egg whites, guys. Okay, now you know that egg whites is a great ingredient when it comes to tightening up the skin and making your skin look flawless and youthful, guys. Yeah, so it's actually very, very necessary you put in at least a little bit of egg white into this so you could get that baby look, flawless one, and a youthful look, guys. Man, you need to watch this video to the end because I'm gonna be showing you how I'm gonna be applying this onto my face and how effective this is gonna be. That is actually too much. Let me reduce a little. Alright, so I actually do not want too much of egg whites. Okay, so there we have it, and our ingredient is complete. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now is that I'm gonna go apply this onto my face, and you can see how effective and oh my god, so glowing this is gonna be onto my skin. Okay, so let's go, guys. I'm gonna be telling you how many times and how you're going to store this here. This is a treatment for your tighter skin, for a younger skin. Okay, so what you do is to refrigerate it. Look at that, actually refrigerate it. I kept it for a little long while. Okay, so after you've refrigerated it, then the next thing is to apply this on your skin generously. So I'm actually gonna be using my mirror to look at my face here. Okay guys, so I'm just put it down. Okay, so after which you've rubbed it all through, now the very next thing I would advise you do is to scrub this. Okay, like you give it a generous massage, very gentle one, very gentle massage. But what I mean by generous is that you massage all over your face. Okay, just like this, and you have to be gentle on your skin. Okay, because there's some people that will be so aggressive because their skin has been giving them problem, and since they've gotten opportunity to scrub, they'll be like, I want it to go today, you know. Don't do that. Just give it a light scrub, a very light one. So after which you've done that, you can as well just reapply this. Okay, just for, you know, so that when it dries, it's going to literally just tighten up your skin. Okay, or you can literally just spread it again, just like what I'm doing now. Alright, so after which you've done this, then the very next thing you're going to do is that you're going to hold on for some time, okay, for this treatment to, you know, just get into your skin literally, and then tighten your skin. tighten your skin, firm it all up, and you know, make you look younger. So for this particular one, it's an ingredient that you can't store because of the egg, okay? But even if you want to store it, you can store it for at least 2 days, but you have to keep it in your refrigerator, okay, so that it does not actually go bad. All right, so that is that for this particular one. All right, so you wait for like 2 to 3 minutes and let the ingredients just dry a little bit, and then when it is dry, then you get your warm towel and then you literally just clean this off first before washing it. Now when you do that, you're going to notice that it's literally going to use a warm water to do that, okay? It's literally going to, you know, remove all of the treatments, you know, compared to if you were just to wash, okay? So you wipe it off like that. Okay, so you have to be consistent when you're applying this. At most you have to give this 3 times application in a week to get that utmost result. Now my skin feels really smooth, you know, and soft also, and it's gonna actually help so much, especially in this time of my life. Like, it's literally gonna help me a whole lot. So that's it, guys. If you try it, it's gonna be helpful. So if you do love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye guys.